move from 10% to 65% just in those first few steps. But guess what? How do you make it almost a guarantee? When you have a specific accountability appointment with the person you've committed to, right? A specific accountability appointment. And so we'll talk about how this works. And so throughout this process. And so whether it's a meeting once a month, it's like, okay, on the first day of every month, I'm going to check in with this person. Maybe it's once a week that you have this check-in call with this person that you're being accountable to. I have a personal trainer. I have check-ins with her Monday morning when I have to text her my weight. That's not a fun one. And then Tuesday morning and Thursday morning when I meet her at the gym, right? So I have 3 check-ins with her every single week that I am accountable to her for, right? And I actually pay her, of course, to hold me accountable. And I used to feel bad about that. I used to feel bad that I had to pay somebody to meet me at the gym for me to go. But then a mentor of mine said, why do you feel bad? They're like, that's a poor philosophy. Instead of you just acknowledging that is what it takes, why don't you just acknowledge that's what it takes? So that instead of fighting it. And I'm like, oh, well, I hadn't ever looked at it that way. So it's like, so whatever that looks like, right? If it looks like that in a business that you're in, if it looks like that in your relationships, if it looks like that in your health, if it looks like that in your spiritual life, it looks like that in your family, whatever that is, your goals are related to, then be accountable. Be willing to be accountable to what you have said you wanted. Remember, I'm not telling you what you want. Someone else shouldn't be telling what you want. This is what you have said you wanted. So it's okay, to be accountable to what you said you wanted. And so let's keep going here. So